The US dollar isn't just money day, it's global power. And in 2025, it still runs the world. From oil to crypto, every trade somehow leads back to the dollar. But how did one currency rise above them all?
After World War II, America's economy rebuilt faster than anyone. The world turned to U.S.
In 1944, world leaders met at Bretton Woods. Their deal made the dollar the center of global finance. When gold left the system, trust stayed. And that trust kept the dollar powerful. Then came oil, traded only in US dollars. Every country needed dollars before they could buy energy. Today, every major bank and trade system connects through one network, the US dollar. Whenever the world panics, the dollar rises. In every crisis, people trust American money.
Over 60% of all global reserves are still held in dollars. That's power no one else matches.
China's yuan, Europe's euro, even Bitcoin, all tried.
Transparency, stability, and global reach. That's what makes the dollar the world's heartbeat.
Now, the US is testing digital dollars, Ando, combining old power with new technology.
We must acknowledge the dollar's role in maintaining stability, despite the sanctions.
But this level of dependency...
Behind every dollar is America's innovation, media, and global brand. That soft power keeps the currency alive. Even with new currencies rising, experts agree. Trust, not technology, decide. The dollar still runs the world, not by control, but by confidence. Follow Prime Capital Hub for real US finance stories. When everything else feels risky, the dollar feels safe. That's why it remains the world's financial heartbeat. From the 2008 financial crash to recent global shocks, investors always ran to the dollar first.
Central banks hold trillions in dollars, more than any other currency. That keeps the US financially dominant.
Sanctions, trade deals, aid programs, or trade all flow through the dollar. It gives the US unprecedented international power.
China, Russia, even Europe tried to challenge the dollar. But none matched the trust, transparency, and liquidity of the US system. America's culture, media, and innovation amplify the dollar's influence worldwide. That's soft power in action. The US is testing digital dollars and blockchain finance. Even in a tech-driven world, the dollar evolves. Global investors prefer dollar assets, treasury bonds, stocks, ETFs, because the US market is deep and reliable. No currency lasts forever, but the dollar has outlasted every rival. Trust and reliability keep it strong. Central bank digital currencies might change the system, but the US is leading the charge with a trusted digital dollar. Every major trade agreement, oil, tech, commodities, uses the dollar. It's the backbone of global commerce.
For everyday Americans and investors worldwide, the dollar's strength affects everything, from imports to travel.
History, trust, innovation, and global adoption quo. That's why the dollar still rules the world in 2025.
The US dollar runs the world, not by force, but by confidence. Follow @Prime Capital Hub for more.